What are you smiling about?
I'm gonna do cooking and this, but I'm gonna read.
But this today, right?
Yeah.
All right, what are we reading?
We'll be in PJ Masks.
Awesome.
I don't want to read this part.
Super Cat Speed.
Super Cat Speed. PJ Masks. Super Cat Speed. The.
Okay, I can't see that. So can you kind of... I can't help you with the words. The school.
School.
Yeah. Concert. Very good.
Is tomorrow.
Can I see the pictures?
Oh yeah. So you can read it.
Awesome. The school concert is tomorrow.
I want you to read it this time.
I love it. I can do that.
But
Where? Yeah.
Are the instrument.
Holy, with an S though, instruments. But that is a big word to read, Aizlyn.
But where are the instruments?
Yep.
Oh wait.
I can wait till the very end.
This is a
job. Yep.
For the PJ Masks.
Very good. But where are the instruments? This is a job for the PJ Masks.
I'm going pretty fast.
That was really good. I'm proud of you for that one.
Amaya becomes Owlette. Greg becomes Gecko. Connor becomes Catboy.
Yep.
And guess what?
What?
We have a cousin.
Named Connor, right?
Yeah.
And a Catboy costume. Wait, this side.
They are the PJ Masks.
Very good.
Oh no, no, no.
It's okay.
No, it isn't.
You don't have to go back that far. We didn't. Amaya becomes Owlette. Greg becomes Gecko. Catboy, or Connor becomes Catboy. They are the PJ Masks. Yeah. That's good.
Catboy is scared. He does
Yep.
not
Want Very good.
to play.
Yeah.
He
does not want to play in
the
concert. Very good.
He does not want to play in the concert?
No,
Does he have to
I have no idea.
want
What?
what? If
Yeah.
he messes
Very good.
messes up. Oh no. I keep on forgetting. You have to.
Sorry. Catboy is scared. He does not want to play in the concert. What if he messes up?
Oh no. I don't. The PJ Mask hears a horrible,
harsh
harsh sound.
noise.
I said it first. It is Ninja.
No.
Night Ninja.
Very good.
Night Ninja. Can you stop?
It's
Night
okay.
Ninja is singing.
Yeah.
The Ninjalinos have the Music. Mrs.
No, missing.
Missing instruments. Have the missing instruments. But
Nope.
his
You gotta start on this page. You silly girl.
Catboy will
You.
use
Yeah.
his super cat
Leap.
lean.
His super cat lean. His super cat leap.
Yes, he's leaning.
They got that lean.
Leap.
You're here. 2.
To
Yes.
the
Trap. No.
Ninjalinos.
To trap the ninjalinos.
To trap the Ninjalinos. The Ninjalinos
With.
with
Yeah.
a net.
Who's a net?
Net.
Oh, with a net, not a net. Okay, never mind. Go ahead. Yes.
I'm full.
You're full. Awesome.
But he is
Yeah.
to
Go ahead. Go wash your hands in your face first, please.
go.
Stain my couch with your spaghetti hands.
Yeah, I have spaghetti hands. Well, I do have a
Betty Spaghetti. Get it here, Betty Spaghetti.
Was I
But he is too
too afraid?
Yeah.
Too afraid. Afraid.
I can't help you. You have the book tipped again. Yes. Duh. Just kiss me. These nuts. Gaddy. It does not work.
It does not work. It does
Not work.
It does not work and not
No. There's no and. It does not work.
Wait.
No. I don't remember how far back we were when I stopped reading.
Here.
Okay. The PJ Masks hear a harsh noise. It's Night Ninja. Finery Ninja.
Yeah, you read the last one.
I should find your song when you're like, ninja. Oh, so jeepers, Night Ninja is singing. The Ninjalinos have the missing instruments. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was super silly.
No, it isn't.
I already read this, didn't I? Oh, okay. Catboy will use his super cat leap to trap the Ninjalinos with a net. But he is too afraid. It does not work.
Ooh, I like
A big page.
See?
You can see when I read and she turns around for everybody to see.
It.
I can't help you if you have the book tipped like that. I can't see through the book.
I don't want Gracie seeing.
That's not very nice, is it?
No, I don't want.
We don't need to fight while we're trying to make a beautiful reading
Special
video.
girls.
Yeah, you're my special little girl. Okay, not climbing on people right now, Grace. We're trying to do something. She needs to do a reading for the night. If
will
we cannot
go
get
the instruments book
back. Yeah.
back.
Yes.
I
Get.
guess.
Yeah.
Guess?
Yes.
Just like I did.
The. Oh, here you go, beautiful.
The concert
Yes.
is all
Ah.
off
Yes.
They
Says
owl.
Owlet.
You read it.
If we cannot get the instruments back, I guess the concert is off, says Owlet. Olivia, can you read, please? If you get distracted, you have a really hard time getting refocused, right? Ace, focus. Focus.
Focus.
Focus.
Focus.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. What are you doing?
What?
I'm dropping stuff. Not you, your brother.
Will
Sorry.
his super
Yeah. No, you're going the wrong way. I told you, you're not paying attention. Pay attention.
Catboy does not look
Like
to see his friend sad.
Very good.
Catboy
Yes, Grace.
uses
After Aizlyn's done her thing. Yes, you can. Catboy uses
super speed. Can you stop?
super cat speed. Yes,
Super cat speed.
I know, but you want to make a video? We'll do one for you tomorrow, right? Sorry. Catboy does not like to see his friends sad. Catboy uses super cat speed.
Hey Gracie.
Okay, concentrate, please.
Sorry. He speeds
Yes. Our around.
the Ninjalinos.
Yes.
He takes
Back.
back
Yep.
one meeting with my teacher today.
One of
the Daddy, I read 5 books today.
Did you?
Yeah. The
Instruments.
instruments and
It
it is a or
recorder.
recorder.
Very good.
Catboy will not
Need. Yep.
to play
Yes.
the or
Recorder.
recorder if
Everyone
everyone is well
watching.
But Catboy
But Catboy must
be
yes.
brave.
Very good.
Catboy plays
Yeah.
the
recorder. No, recorder.
Recorder. Wait, what's a recorder?
It's a thing Gracie bought the other day, the little flute looking thing.
He is really good.
Very good. Catboy will need to play the recorder. Everyone is watching, but Catboy must be brave. Catboy plays the recorder. He is really good.
Daddy,
Yes.
you look like you didn't want to read it.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Then
Ow.
I will let
Yes.
And gecko.
Trap. Very good.
Ninja.
Night ninja.
Night ninja.
Night ninja.
In
Yes.
drum.
Very good. Okay, Aizlyn, ignore her. Grace, sit on your booty.
And a scooty.
And scooty away from your sister so she can do her reading, please.
The
You can make a video any other day. She needs to read. Give. Yep. No. A's. The.
Sorry if I was
It's okay.
on this.
Nope.
The instruments. Back. Now I can read this. I will get
Yep.
you for
The.
this night ninja set.
Ah, malfunction. Hang on. We'll be right back. All right, Dad's fat hand malfunction. Go ahead. Night ninja says. That was my bad. Next.
PJ Masks will
All share. Shout. What do they shout? There you go. Hooray!
away.
Because
in the
night. Yep.
Will
We, Aizlyn. There's no I in that, right? That's okay.
we
Say.
saved
Yep. The.
said
No, we saved.
saved
Yes.
the night
No, day.
day.
You silly.
Day.
Okay, next page. Oh, you want me to read it?
Yeah.
Sure. The Ninjalinos give the instruments back. I will get you for this, Night Ninja says. I can't see. PJ Masks all shout, hooray! Because in the night they save the day. Day and night. Is that it? One more. Lonely loner seems to free as night at night. At night.
Lil
Lure.